said I will be the one to hold you. I will be the one to hold you in my arms, in my arms, my arms, my arms. And I knew in my heart and mind that no matter come with me, love will survive.